Hello friends, it's so nice to be with you. I'm so happy to see you. And speaking of happiness, today our song is going to be about happiness. And so what are the things that make you smile or feel joy or celebrate or jump up and down? Things that make you feel happy. So we're going to think about all the different things that make you feel happy. And it could be as simple as like a little snack that you really wanted to have. Maybe it's pizza. So a couple things that come to my mind are hot fudge sundaes, riding my bike, seeing my friends or family, my mom or dad, make me feel happy. So let's take a minute and just go into our minds and think about all the things that make us feel happy. And if you're having trouble, just think about maybe the last time you felt really happy and like what was that like. Take a moment, go into our minds. Here we go. I'll count to 3. We'll do it together. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. Think about those things that make you feel joyful. Even maybe log a few in your mind. Keep them in your mind, because we're going to need them for our song. Nice. So we're going to sing a song now, and we're going to write it together based on things that we thought about that made us feel happy. And there's a little bit of a formula to it, so when I get ready to play it, I'm going to share that with you so we can get ready. Oh, but wait, I need something. All right, so this song is called The Things That Make Me Feel Happy. And so the things that I thought about were hot fudge sundaes, I thought about seeing my friends, and I thought about riding my bike. So 3 things that I thought about. And in our song, there's a couple spots where you're going to know that it's going to be your turn to share some ideas. So the first one, hot fudge sundae. Bum, 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 bum. So fit your idea in there. And then next, you want to think about somebody that you cannot wait to see. I said friends. Maybe you can't wait to see, I'll just let you think of it, or that person, or that group of folks, right? And then the last thing, there's an ing word. So I'm saying riding my bike. So you might have to say playing, playing ball. You might have to say playing with your cat. Anything ing, so think about all the different ing things. Let's see, riding, playing, dancing, singing, jumping, running. Okay, 3 different ideas for you. Remember, we'll get through it together. And I'll start, so it'll be okay. Here we go. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me feel fine. Hot fudge sundaes. Hot fudge Sunday in the afternoon, knowing that I'm gonna see my friends real soon. Riding my bike and singing this song. If you're not happy, try singing along. So you see how I did that? I just filled in kind of my ideas. I put the hot fudge sundae in there, and I put seeing my friends, and I put riding my bike. So I'm gonna do one word, just so we know what's going on. And we'll start with the chorus. Here we go. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me feel fine. Seeing my cat in the afternoon, knowing that I'm gonna see my friends real soon. Skating on the water and singing this song. If you're not happy, try singing along. Alright, so you got the format. Now we're gonna do the chorus, and it's gonna be your turn right after that. Here we go. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the try singing along. You guys want to try another one? I think you can. I will start with the chorus. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me feel fine. It's your turn. In the afternoon, knowing that I'm gonna see my friends real soon, and singing this song. If you're not happy, try singing along. Nice job. Should I do one? All right. What are some of the things that make me feel happy? Let's see. Dancing in the rain. Oh no, see, walking in the rain. Okay, what are some of the things that make me feel happy? Let's see, walking in the rain and working in the garden. All right. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me feel fine. Walking in the rain in the afternoon, knowing that I'm gonna see my friends real soon. Working in the garden and singing this song. If you're not happy, try singing along. Are you guys ready? I think you should do the last one. So we'll start with the chorus, right? Here we go. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me feel fine. This is your turn. Here we go. In the afternoon, knowing that I'm gonna see my friends real soon. You and singing this song. If you're not happy, try singing along. Should we do our chorus one more time? Here we go. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me smile. These are the things that make me feel happy now. These are the things that make me feel fine. Make me feel fine. Oh my goodness, it's been so wonderful to sing with you today. I hope that you will take this song into your heart. You can bring it out anytime you want. It's fun, you can jump around, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much. I'm Miss Audra.